go, bro. Let's go. Let's play. Classic Arena. Day 2. Day 2 of making people join. Play Classic Arena. Oh wait, I think I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Get it in. Wait, did I wrong? Ayaw na, bro. You're gonna slam this boat? Nah, bro. These people are cocked up. What the hell happened? Ayun na, ito talaga. Yo, no. I'm lagging. Oh, I'm cooked. I need to rejoin, bro. I'm cooked. I actually glitched the game. Now I can't even move. What was my favorite again? Yo! Yo! Yo, bang, 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 bang. Oh, that's cool. I died, bro. I died. Weird. Wait, if I spam that, I die? I didn't know that, bro. That's actually so cool. Oh, I died. I killed myself. Yo, try this glitch out only in private servers if you have commands. Or if you join up a friend's private server and you have commands. It's so fun, bro. Oh, wala na. Nadi, people are cooked. Cooked mutton. Bang, 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 bang. No! Wait, moonwalk. I need to reset myself again. But what was that? But what the hell, bro? Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bump is shaped like a deer. DUI, how about you die and go 100 miles an hour? Wait. Okay, wait, let me do that. Driving in my car after a beer. Hey, that bump is shaped like a deer. And little do you know. Wait. Wait, let me do the meme. Let me do the meme. So, I think I need flying for this. Bang. So, we need to spawn. Yo, wait. Let me spawn. Wait, let's do it. Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bump is shaped like a deer. Nah, bro. Oh, nah, bro. I just killed a bunch of those. And now I can do. And now I have my ult. Bomb. Yo, this often is so bad. Like when you're in a private server and you finally get your ult and like use your ult. I think that works in public servers too. Yo. Okay, let me start. Bro, I'm lagging so hard. I'm lagging so hard, bro. I can't even trying to push these people. Okay, let me. Yo, I'm lagging so hard. My screen is getting blurry. I'm lagging so hard, bro. Bro, just let me play. Let me play, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, this is so satisfying. You can get your ult so fast. Like, you can get your ult so fast. Bang. Wait, let me do the... Wait. Let me bomb into that. Boom. Oh wait. I miss. Oh, how did I miss that? Nah, I one shot all of those people. No, No, why did I do my ultimate? Kaboom! No! I did it accidentally. Oh, wait, what? I can do that? Back shot. Back shot. Yo, I did a back shot. Yo, I can actually do a back shot. Wait. Oh, back shot. Oh, back shot. Back shot. Back shot. Wait. Back shot. Back shot. Yeah, back shot. No, back shot. Wait, let me reset. I'm lagging so hard, bro. I was lagging so hard there. Splinter Stronghold. Yo, I like this map. Yo, I reset myself. Yeah. Who was this? Who was this? Yo, what the hell? Oh, I like these designs. How is Santa down there? Like, is he looking for something? If they added fall damage here, I would die instantly. You know why? I always jump down. Trilla, bro, what do you mean Trilla Vanilla? Yep, landed in the spot. Why are these dudes here? Wait, there they are. Assisting throw. Bomb. Yo. Oh. Wait, what? But who will finish this dude? Bang. Bro. Yo, wait, why can't I go there? Wait. Oh, wait, you can go there, but... Yo, why can't I... Oh, wait. There. Oh, wait, I can't wall hop. I can't wall hop here. Assisting throw, bro. Bang. What's that? Who knocking on the door? Ngayon. Who's that? May kumatok. Narinig. Oh, may kumatok. Yes. Okay, I want to go High-Tech Canyon. Oh, wait. Crossroads? Oh, wait, bro. How about... Okay, I like this map. I like this map, bro. I dream. Bro, what? Assisting throw, bro. Assisting throw. Oh, wait, so... You survived, so let me go to Winter Stronghold. Oh wait, that's why. I just did this dude just standing. Oh wait, we're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. Yay! Yay! This won't disappear. Oh! Yo. Okay, I'm just gonna play the floor is disappearing game. If the floor underneath me disappears, I die and I fall. Oh wait. Oh. Yes! Bro. Bro. Bro, how did I fall there? Okay. Whee! Yo, I did it. Oh, 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 I mean, like, bro. I fall. I fall. I fall. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna make another game. I need to go there without teleporting, so, bro. Ayun, yan, lang. So, we need to like, go down safely. That's the plan. Bro. Yo! Oh, yes. So cool. Brrr. Oh, wait, skydiving animation. Ha. Oh, wait, I like that. I like that. So, oh, yes. I got here. Safely. Bro, why am I lagging? I can't turn my screen. Okay. Bro, I didn't even press it. Bro. Nah, bro. Backflip. I wish I had a Discord. Oh yeah! Oh my god! What the hell, bro? How did I survive? Bro, wait, so okay, you can't climb. I really didn't know that. Bro, why can't I climb using? Yeah, bro, joking his balls. Bro, I thought there was something there. Okay, let me. Kapang. Kapang. Okay, how am I moving so slow, bro? Bro, how am I moving so slow? Okay, there we go. There we go, bro. There we go, bro. You know what? Let me leave. I'm not gonna rage quit. I'm just gonna. Oh, wait, there were badges? There were badges? Oh, man. Sheriff. Kill a player. 10 kills? 10 kills? Wait, have I got that? But but I'm trying to look in the badges, bro. Why did you why did but bro, just want to see if there's a I hate this. I want to break this. I want to break my phone. 100. What a pro. Well, Breakbuster. I already have that, bro. I already have that. Let me join a public. Let me join a public, bro. Let me not regret this. Wait, let me turn on my sniper. Yep, headshot, bro. Naha, bro. Let me headshot. Mafiso. Nah. 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 Let me hide. I was angered so much, kid. No. Nah. I got them. Got them, bro. Got them. Bro, you're killing a 2-pin a kid who bro. You can. Nah, I got them. I think who was driving a jeep. Yes. Bonk. Bonk. No. Bro. Brother. I'm ready so hard. Bro. Nah, I dropped 10. I was gonna lose. Bro, where am I? Nah. Bro. Trying to run away from people who are his boy with them. Run away. I wanna run away. I wanna run away. And you were out this place. Why you hit me? That was so hard getting. Nah, I'm a newbie, bro. I'm a newbie, bro. I'm a newbie. Oh, how did... Bo launched me. Bo launched me. Nah, I hit them. I hit them, Bo. I hit them. Okay. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I just want some ticks, bro. I just want some ticks. Oh, okay. Let me make a friend. Let me make a friend. Hmm. Yep, I just joined the same server. I just joined the same server. I'm cooked. They still know me. And they still know me. I joined the same server. I need to run away from these players. You know what? I'm leaving. What thinks you can kill me? What's this? Day of Death? Day of Death. What? You're very hungry? Okay. Let me play it. Update. Go Gordon, but you're gentle. This good. This good. You know, I call this game... Okay, video ends.